Hi, I'm Dr. Poonam from IIT Guwahati. I have attended this conference and I have presented my paper. I find that in this conference, the keynote speaker and all the presenters presented very advanced research ideas, and it is very useful for young engineers and researchers who is working in this area, 2D graphene area and additive manufacturing technology. They are very advanced research topics are discussed, like how to fabricate the components using the additive manufacturing, and how to manufacture the graphene, magazine, and other two-dimensional materials. So I find food was very nice, and overall organization was also very good. And this kind of conferences are very good for starting collaboration and networking. Thank you very much.